Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have an amazing video for you. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add our lime juice and our pickled ginger, some cilantro, a little bit of garlic, some honey, and that's it. We are going to process this. I have an amazing machine, but you can process it anywhere. A blender or a food processor or a power blender, any of these will work great. Just blend this a little bit and set it aside. You can also make this sauce or dressing for any salad any day of the week. It is super easy, delicious, and full of phytonutrients. Serve it with wild rice, buckwheat, or shrimp, salmon, a breath of fresh air. All we have to do now is dice some of that delicious tofu, add some cabbage, and it can be purple cabbage or green cabbage, which we mix with this delicious dressing. That way, all the cabbage will be seasoned throughout. This will be a filling and amazing snack that any friend will like, vegan or not. I absolutely love it. You can have it as a meal also. You can serve it on the side with our cashew sauce for those people that like it spicy and for those that don't. Enjoy this amazing snack any time of the day, and it'll be beautiful to serve it to friends and family, as well as our tofu with our sauce. It'll actually flavor it and be more delicious. Decorate with some cashews or add some cashews if it's your meal. Look at this. It's amazing, beautiful, simple, made in minutes. The recipe for the cashew sauces follow. Enjoy delicious food any time of the day. Chef Pachi. Hi, let's start making both cashew sauces. The base is the same for both. We are going to make a lot of sauce because I'm making sauce for 450 servings. But I'm giving you the exact recipe for a small portion of a third cup of cashews in the YouTube channel. After the video, just scroll down and you'll find the recipes. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to process those cashews. And I've bought unroasted, just dried and unsalted cashews. I added a mix of almond and soy milk, half and half. Salt, pepper, honey, dark sesame oil. And this dressing that we're going to make right now is not spicy. Garam Marsala spice that is delicious. Basil leaves. We're using a food processor type blender, but you can do this in a blender or a food processor, either of the two. In a food processor, it's going to be a little more grainy. In a blender, it might be a little lighter, but it's going to thicken with time. With a couple of days gone by, it's going to start, it'll thicken in the fridge. So enjoy this beautiful and amazing sauce. You're going to love it, and it's high in all sorts of vitamins, minerals, protein, and great fats for you. Enjoy it with a variety of foods. You can add it to seafood, you can add it to poultry, to pork, to tofu, which is what we're using it for, and to many other recipes that you love. Check out how it thickens. It's beautiful. Now our second sauce is exactly the same as the first, but as you're going to see now, we're going to add to those cashews, before we grind them, a tablespoon of chipotle pepper. And this is going to make the spicier of the two sauces. They are exactly the same. One is spicy, one is not. That gives everyone a choice. So the first thing we do with this one is we add our chipotle pepper to our cashews so that we blend them together first. And this is going to help our dressing if you process them. You don't have a good blender or a processor, you can just chop these on the side and then add them to the blender already chopped. That way it's going to be a little bit smoother. If you have a power blender, just put everything there at once and you're done. Look at this beautiful spicy sauce, creamy and beautifully colored. Now serve it like this or like you want. Enjoy delicious food anytime. It's healthy. You can have all you want. Enjoy, Chef Pachi. Almond and soy milk, pepper, salt, honey, garam marsala, dark sesame oil or basil, and process, and voila, you have a perfect and amazing sauce. These sauces will keep in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. You can make it with coconut milk. You can make it with any of the mix of milks you want. Enjoy these sauces with any food you want with Chef Pachi. Delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy!